Hey guys, beautiful evening. Pagpasensyahan nyo na, basa yung buko, bagong ligo lang. Naisipan ko lang gawa ng content to. May nag-comment kasi from my video, matagal-tagal na, pero bago pa lang yung comment niya. Hindi masyadong bago, 3 weeks ago. Ngayon ko lang nabasa. Sabi niya, sis, can you please make a video on real versus fake na mga Skin 1004 Madagascar products? So, ako, I always go for the official flagship stores of the skincare brands that I love, especially with Skin 1004. Meron namang mga legit na mga distributors ng products na to or resellers ng brand na to. But if you are a first-time user of Skin 1004 and if you want to try out these products for the first time, I suggest you go for the official flagship store para to ensure that you are purchasing the authentic products, not the fake ones. Now, to know if it's fake or real, you will know that it's real kasi kadalasan ng mga big packagings or big yung mga ampules, cleansers nila, and all other products, it comes in boxes. Tapos yung box niya, nakaseal talaga. Merong circle na parang sticker na may nakalagay na the gift from the untouched nature. Yon, may nakalagay na sticker na ganon. Circle siya. Pag sa mga big packagings or yung mga cleansers, yung mga ampules na marami ang laman. What I mean is 50 ml pataas. Kasi napansin ko yung mga small bottles nila, small ampules, or yung mga sample or tester ng mga sachets. Yun, hindi yun nilalagay sa box. If ever na nakalagay sa box, wala siyang sticker na ganito. So, flash ko lang sa screen ano yung ibig kong sabihin. Almost all of their packaging, naka-sticker type yung mga label. Yung glass, kahit glass siya, naka-sticker lang yung label niya. And also, yung hindi lang naka-sticker is yung tube type na brightening gel and also yung sunscreen nila. Hindi yung sticker. I don't know what type of labeling ng mga ganyan sa packaging. Basta emboss ata, basta hindi siya sticker type. You'll know if it's authentic pag ganun yung packaging. So you have a basis. So I'll flash in the screen yung mga products na meron ako from Skin 1004. So you'll have a basis kung ano yung itsura ng authentic compared sa fake. But I believe walang nagfi-fake ng mga Skin 1004 products. Now, I'm still using the cleanser, the oil cleanser, the toner, and the brightening ampule from Skin 1004. So, kakabukas ko lang nung cleanser na binili ko, the ampule foam. With ampule foam naman, or yung tube type of packaging, alam mo pag hindi talaga siya nabuksan kasi nakaseal pa siya. When you open the tube, yung pinaka-cover niya, merong silver na parang seal. So, you'll have to remove it before you can use the product. Bago mo ma-dispense yung product. Ayun, I guess that's it. I hope I did help you. 3 weeks delay ang aking answer sa question nyo po. But thank you for subscribing and also tuning in to my videos. That's it for now. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye!